Hello everyone. We will talk about how to integrate Jenkins with GitHub um, um, to just do CI/CD on GitHub repos. So first we'll start with Jenkins. We have Jenkins here. I'll close this one and I'll close that one as well. So we'll open the Blue Ocean. I'll open it in a new tab. So we'll open the Blue Ocean and then we'll create a new pipeline. We'll say GitHub and GitHub will ask us to provide a GitHub, Blue Ocean will ask us to provide a GitHub token. If we don't have any, we will just go here and create token with provided, like it's already selecting what we need to have. So I'll say my Jenkins, um, I'll name it my Jenkins token and I'll say generate token. A token is generated here. Okay, I'll copy it and I will go here and I will paste it. So it get connected to GitHub, so it will list all my organizations or my repos. So it's my user. So I have one repo in this user, which is Fraser API. So I'll say create pipeline. It will check if I have a Jenkins file in this pipeline, in this repo. If yes, it will generate, scan the branches and list all branches that has a Jenkins file. If there is no Jenkins file, it will just ask me to create one. Now it does scanning because I have in my repo, if I go here, you should see Fraser API. Here I have a Jenkins file, so it will use this Jenkins file to test if everything is okay. Yeah, so everything was okay. And I had here, so um, let's do a quick commit and let's see if Jenkins will trigger if things will go, how things will go with Jenkins. So probably we'll edit here. Let's make it themes and repositories tags and we'll add those and committed changes. So we did that to master. So if we go to pipelines, we'll see here our Fraser API pipeline. It should start. Oh, is one more thing we need to do, which is we go to settings, we go to webhooks, and we add a webhook. And I will copy our Jenkins URL, and we'll see GitHub webhook. Okay, and I just send the push events and make sure it's active, and I have no secret. Okay, and webhook. Probably we need to pre-commit or maybe revoke our changes and go back again to readme and I'll say edit and I'll say here team and remove a couple of those and say committed changes and yeah, let's see how things are going. Yeah, it's building here. As you can see, it's two comments. It says there's two comments, so it gathered the two comments together and who's the author? It says no reply. Or if you click on it, you'll see the comments and how things are moving on. It is still trying to fetch to update. So the latest one was success. Looks like Jenkins has replied. Yeah. Yeah. Here you go. It created the whole thing and it tested the whole workflow. So here you go. Yeah, it goes tested and it submitted that whole thing to the latest one because we and both of them got tested together. So that's it. This is how Jenkins is working. And if you want to create another pipeline, you should go here again and try GitHub again. you should be able to see your integration is still working. So you need just to put the token for the first time. You don't need to do more stuff. And if you want, what you can do, you can go in here and we can fork another repo. Fork. It is forking, so I will go back to Jenkins and I will do a new pipeline. It says GitHub. Here's my user. It's still not here yet. Probably the forking didn't finish. Yeah, it finished now. So new pipeline, GitHub, Pegasus, and we do freezer. That should. Yeah, why are we seeing two freezer APIs? I'll just refresh, maybe. Jenkins is cached or something, so on GitHub. Yeah, freezer, there you go. So it won't find the Jenkins, there is no Jenkins file, so it will ask me to create or to build a Jenkins file. So here you can add steps, print message, hello world. Can go back again. If you want, you can add a parallel um, you can add a parallel one, or you can create another one. Well, I don't need to. I just need to use shell script. Go back again. Okay, so you can do what you want and you can save. Oh, so we need to name the stages. First stage, probably we can do that now. So well, we can name it second. I can hit add here. Welcome to Jenkins. So what we can do, can come in here and we say third, and that's it. This is our pipeline. So we'll save and we'll say edit Jenkins file. It's going to commit this to GitHub to the master branch. Here we have no Jenkins file. If you take a look in here, there's no Jenkins file. So if we refresh and we try again, here is the Jenkins file. Added Jenkins, so it built everything for us and it is indexing the branch. Here is the step it's doing, it's fetching and trying to look to see how things will go. So now if we commit anything to freezer master as well, we'll be able to see. So the same integration works for pretty much everything.